Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US Highway 61 through Missouri, beginning as we enter the city of Ste. Genevieve, the county seat of St. Genevieve County. The city was founded in 1735 by French-Canadian colonists and was the first organized European settlement in present-day Missouri. The city today lies at a junction of US-61 and Missouri Route 32. In the late 18th century, this was the capital of Spanish Louisiana, and prior to that, the capital of French Louisiana. Here, the St. Genevieve National Historic District encompasses much of the built environment of the city, and as of October 31, 2020, is the 422nd unit of the National Park System. St. Genevieve is home to one of the highest concentrations of distinctive types of French colonial architecture known as post and ground and post on sill. I'm not going to try to pronounce the French names for that. Both of these styles involve construction of walls consisting of vertical logs, the former placed directly into the ground, and the latter onto a horizontal sill of wood or stone. The National Park Service conducted a historic site survey of the region in 1960, leading to the designation of the National Historic Landmark District, one of the first to be made. A survey by the Park Service in 1980 identified the location of St. Genevieve's early settlement on the Mississippi floodplain, a few miles south of its present location, which had long been thought to be lost to floodwaters. The state has stepped in to acquire several of the older buildings for preservation and interpretation as historic sites. We're following the Union Pacific Rail line closely as we enter the city of St. Mary, which had a population of 309 as of the 2020 census. We're now about 5 miles west of the Mississippi River, and the river is historically what divides Missouri from Illinois. But as we drive through St. Mary, we'll come within 500 feet of the Illinois-Missouri state line. This is a result of a change of course in the Mississippi River, which moved the river further away from the town, but the state border remains the same. If we turned left onto State Highway U, just across the railroad tracks, we'd cross a small bridge over the former channel of the river and enter Randolph County, Illinois. Located over there is the village of Kaskaskia, Illinois, which was once the capital of Illinois Territory and later the capital of the state Illinois from 1818 to 1819. The population there had peaked at around 7,000 in the 18th century, but a river flood in 1881 destroyed much of the town and shifted the river to the east, completely cutting the city off from the rest of the state. As of the 2020 census, Kaskaskia had 21 residents, making the village the second least populated incorporated community in Illinois. This is an increase in population from only 9 in 2000 and 14 in 2010. We conclude today's video as we enter Perry County. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.